This is speed to lead. This is an agent that helps you respond to your inquiries the minute they come in, regardless of the time or the day that those inquiries come in. So you might be aware that if you respond in under 5 minutes to inquiries, you're 10 times more likely to make a sale from that inquiry. And on average, businesses take around 47 hours to respond. So a lot of revenue is being left on the table. So the goal of the speed to lead agent is to bring you more dollars in the door. And this is what it looks like. So it's listening here for form submissions, and I'm going to fill in a form just now to demonstrate it working. It extracts the information from the form, it updates that contact in HubSpot, and then it uses a company research tool to research who has just submitted the form, and it writes a nicely customized kind of fun email that it sends straight away. And finally, it notifies me internally that the agent has handled a lead that just came in. And whilst there are tools out there that can do this, you can already automate the response to a lead, right? It's not a new thing. But by using an AI agent to do it, you automate it, but also provide a customized, relevant response to the person who's inquired. So you can even introduce some brand personality into the email that you send, which then puts you ahead of the competitors that they might have also filled out the form of. So let's take it for a quick spin. This is the Growth Medium website, and more dollars in the door is the heading of the speed to lead agent page. So it's essentially a solution page. And I'm going to go get in touch, and I'm going to put in my name. As the business name, I'm not going to use Growth Medium. Let's do an example of Halter, the New Zealand farming automation thing. Let's go Joe at Growth Medium. So the agent is using the business name, not the email address. I could change that if I wanted. Doesn't matter for this. It's going to use the business name. So I filled that in. Now over here, we should see in executions, it's running right now. As soon as it's finished, we will see its response. So I'll pause and come back when it's done. Okay, the agent is finished. Let's take a look at the emails that we got. We should get two emails. One is the internal notification, which happens to come to the same email address as the one that I used on the form. Otherwise, obviously, they would go to different places. So we've got the thank you email, which is the one that would go to Halter in this case. Let's have a look. You sent an inquiry moments ago and this reply arrived. Instantly, consider this a live demo of what your customers could get when they contact Halter. Here's the kicker, responding within 5 minutes, etc., etc. Importantly, though, it says for farmers asking about your solar-powered collars or virtual fencing, speed turns curiosity into book demo or sale. So really good, really specific. It's done some research about the company. In the next sentence, it also talks again about solar GPS collars, virtual fencing, pasture management, all stuff that Halter does, right? So it's relevant to them straight away, and they got it within a minute. So that is the power of the speed to lead agent. My internal notification just says you got a new speed to lead inquiry, and it shows me the content of the email that it's sent. So I can be lying on my sunbed and get an email and read it and say, okay, cool, the agent did a great job of that one. Go back to sipping my cocktail.